2022, I established my own company called OPC. And since that time, the God of Abreba land has been with me. The God of my fathers has been with me. Jehovah himself has been with me. And my company has not, what do they call it in French, faillite, which means it hasn't run bankruptcy. No, it has been existent since then up to now. To my own surprise, even. I don't know how I just see myself progressing. I will see the business. Sometimes, yeah, we are rocket moments, tough times. But to my greatest surprise, I will say, oh, God has been so kind to me. How can I bring in 350 containers of 40 feet load a year and I will sell everything? This is what we call warehouse sorting center.
Sorting center.
Sorting center, yeah.
Okay.
Sorting center, Nambo. Even when the goods are imported from overseas, they come in big belts of 500 kg, 450 kg. From there, we will separate them. Because when the goods are offloaded, they all are mixed. The t-shirts, the trousers, the jeans, the shorts,
even bra,
even inner wears, everything is mixed together. In a month, we can bring up to 25 to 30 containers.
Not a one container.
No,
20 feet or
no, 40 feet container. You can bring 25 to 30 containers in a month. Every blessed month. So over the years, when I discovered the importance of job opportunities, I reduced bringing in small bells. I started bringing in bigger bells so that people can have the opportunity to work and to sort and to display their professionalism. We decide to bring 12 containers here every month. 12 containers here every month because the machine is wonderful, it's doing the right job, and we have professional hands that are handling it.
I'm seeing it. This is not a joke. So every month, 12
containers.
It's coming to this well.
Yes.
And this machine will handle it.
It will handle
this
it.
This is massive, man.
Yes, it will handle it. It has the power to handle it. And those people handling it also are strong. Good afternoon, my brother. My name is Honorable Okirika. I'm pronouncing it Obeja because that is from my mother's tongue, Obeja. But as an Igbo guy, it is pronounced as Obaja. So Okirika Obaja. But since I am from Abreva hometown, most of you know my town, so we pronounce it Obeja. So I am Okirika Obeja. That's my name, my full name. We are here in Cotonou, Benin Republic. Benin Republic is in West Africa. So it's a neighbor to Nigeria and a neighbor to Togo Republic. Okrika business, nobody knew about it here in Cotonou, Benin Republic. Ndị obodo ndị ụmụafọ ndị obodo ndị Benin Republic about this Okrika business. But people from Abreba, just like as you said, if I can name but few Chika brothers, recently we have people like Pico. So these people have been here before us. So they were here and they were doing well. So that time that they came, that was when they introduced this used clothing business. In fact, when this used clothing was introduced, people they don't know about it, they were just wondering, what is this? In French, they say, c'est quoi ça? Ils ont des habits déjà utilisés. You see, so, but God so kind, it wasn't a contraband here in Benin Republic. So, and the business thrived. They made a lot of money from there. They were a success. So, and the business was a very successful business. So, through that source also, as in Igbo and as in Abreba, they will start. The main thing is when they are doing the business, there is only so they will pick somebody from the east, either from their relation. The person will come and serve them for a number of years, maybe a year or two or three. The person also at the same time will be learning the business. So once their master is about getting retired, they too they will already know about the business and start doing it. That is how the thing became popular. And most people from Abreva started doing the business. So Okrika business was not known here before, and my people from Abreba introduced it to this town. My father was doing that business. My father is Michael, late Chief Michael Chuku Obeja from Umwesu, Ameke, Abreba, from Debo, Umwesu, Ameke, Abreba. The people must have known about it. And then he was doing that business. He wasn't here. He was doing other business, and he was very, very successful in that business. He prospered a lot. But in me, I have my other people that were doing this business then. My uncle, I have my uncle Chief Spence, Honorable Chief Spence Nkobe Carlo, if he was here. So when I left school, I didn't go to university. Okay, fortunately or unfortunately, anyhow. So when I came here, I was with him. I served him for some number of years before I got to establish my own. Over 25 years ago, I established my own business here. So that's it. And my company name is Opisen. In fact, most people they don't call me OPA again. They call me Opisen because of the name of my company. That's it. Yeah, it wasn't easy from the start, just like any other business. So from the start, I would say the trading capital was a huge challenge. You know, as a young boy coming up, you'll be seeing other people bringing in 2 containers every month, containers every week. You know, and it was very difficult for me to even raise money to buy 3 or 4 bills. So I started buying what they call leftovers, the second grade of bells. They call it nyama nyama. So when you buy it, raise up some capital of 10,000 sefa. I was buying it. My capital was growing, was growing, and as my destiny may have it, I was able to buy full bells, nice bells, buying 3 bells, 4 bells. The business started growing until I was able to start buying 100 bells, full load of motor load, 20 bells, 30 bells. This is how I started since 1995.
Wow.
Yeah. So by the 2022, I established my own company called OPC. And since that time, the God of Abreba land has been with me. The God of my fathers has been with me. Jehovah himself has been with me. And my company has not, what they call it in French, faillite, which means it hasn't run bankruptcy. No, it has been existent since then up to now. To my own surprise, even. So that is it.
Sometimes you don't know how it happens.
I don't know how it happened. I just see myself progressing. I will see the business. Sometimes, yeah, we are rocket moments, tough times. But to my greatest surprise, I will say, oh, God has been so kind to me. How can I bring in 350 containers of 40 feet load a year and I will sell everything? You see, so I really thank God and I cannot complain. Yes, in every business, there is backward and forward. You'll be losing, you'll be gaining money, but for now, I will not complain. I'll say God has been faithful, and the business has been successful so far.
Sometimes you ask yourself, is there anything I'm doing different than others?
Well, in this business, everybody has his own tricks and the strategy, not tricks, strategy to do business. And sometimes the strategy I apply, some other people might apply it, it's not successful for them. So me too, if I apply it, I might be so lucky and the business will succeed. But I will not say it is because of my own power or my own wisdom, because some people might have wisdom or I don't know knowledge more than I do, or more intelligent, more smart, but they might not progress. You see, so everything depends on I don't know honesty. When you are honest to your suppliers, honest to your customers. Do you have first grade? Yes, I have first grade. The person will buy the first grade from you, and the person will get the first grade. So that credibility will be building. Your reputation will be building. Before you know what is happening, your name will go sky high. So that is it. So I don't think I would say I'm doing something particular that others are not doing. No, I am doing the way I know, and I am progressing. That's it. Yeah, it is what I do. One thing is sure, this second-hand clothing is not contraband here. It's not illegal business here in Benin Republic. So they welcome everybody with open arms that we can come in. So the kind of duty, custom duty, the custom duty they are collecting, I think that alone is a huge benefit to them. Because this money mostly are not generated here. Most of these goods also go to other neighboring countries. Maybe Nigeria, some people take them to Nigeria, even though it is not allowed there, but they know how to take it there and they will use the one they can use. One way or the other, the country Benin Republic is benefiting hugely from it because we know how many containers of second-hand clothing we bring in here. You have to pay the duty into the government purse. If you don't do that, your container will not be out. So they are benefiting hugely. So I can tell you, I can confirm that we are Benin Republic are they are getting.
Can we now visit your company? Let's see. No seeing is believing. Our people want to see. Not like talking. I don't know.
When you carry even now already but my company. When I started inside the Misebo. We call it Misebo. That Misebo is where they sell retails, you know. But up to here now is my office. But I have warehouses. I have offices like this, like up to 8 or 9 offices like this. After office, I have warehouses. Some of them are near, some of them are far away. So if you have the time, I can graciously take you there. N'ahụnanya ekwe.
So the answer is let's go.
Yeah, we can go. Yeah, with the help. Yeah, this is where we call Misebo. Misebo is a very popular name when you talk about second-hand clothing in Benin Republic. Misebo is very, very popular. Yeah. All these places is Misebo. You can see the people's shops. You see, so you can see it. And as the king of the second-hand clothing dealer, I have 8 shops among all these shops. You have seen one. There, I will show you another one. Show you probably others if I take it to the warehouse. So anybody that asks you about this second-hand clothing in Cotonou, or if you ask anybody, ask him, do you know Misebo? The person will, the person will definitely confirm that he knows Misebo because
Misebo is headquarters.
Thank you very much. The headquarters of second-hand. If you look left, right, you will see the bells. Yes, this is one of my offices
inside the Misebo.
Yes, inside Misebo.
So now headquarters.
Yeah. No, it's not even the headquarters. It's just
office.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of STE?
That is STE is what they call société. Société, yes. Société is like a company. First of all, put it as the prefix. Société. So then that SAL is like limited.
Okay, that's limited.
Yeah, limited. When you say Nigeria, Opisen Limited.
Wow.
So you say Opisen SAL. That SAL is Société and our name.
Because every names I always see that.
STE, yes, the STE is the limited, and the ETS is just the ETS is just what they call just a business name. Like in Nigeria, you know, you have investment. Yes. People will say something investment, Okirika investment, but not limited. So we have business name and we have the limited own. So
this is the one that our people are creating. This is Misebo. Okay.
So this one is the bell. The one you see, anyone you see office in here, which means I belch them myself here. Okay. So when you see another brand, I bought it like that from overseas.
Serious?
Yeah, my supplier supply them like this one. You see CTR here. It's not made here. They are not made here. I bought it from here. And all these things have items by items inside. You will see men t-shirt, only men t-shirt. They are separate.
So this one we are wearing now is a
men t-shirt. We call it men t-shirt, MTS.
So this is okay.
Yes.
So you wear it.
I wear myself.
I wear okay.
Yes, I wear myself. Yeah, this one is from my evening goose. You know.
See it?
Yeah. So you have hoodies. You have trousers,
everything.
Yeah. So yeah. So that's it. This is just one of my shops. I have them like this 8 or 9. And
in Cotonou, this is our people transferring business to other countries, creating jobs.
So all those people. I don't know if people came here before.
No, I have not been here before.
Okay. So
but I have heard the name. The Misebo, I have heard about
it. This is it. Just here.
So many people like from villages come here to buy clothes.
To buy clothes and go back. Even people in town, not from village, even in town. People they buy, they go and resell in boutique.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the road. The market itself is down inside. So we cannot drive there because
they have men inside market.
Yes. Like people carrying shoes. These are shoes, you see, they are going there. I deal in shoes and clothing, handbags, belts, the rest of them, you see. Merci beaucoup. Wow. So these ones now they are going to somewhere else, another country.
This one is going to
another country.
So this is another option shop.
Yes.
Wow. This looks like underground.
It's underground.
How they come out of come? Just look at this is Igbo man creating wonders in Benin Republic. Just look at it. Okay, so look at it. You see, Obro talk if I go pure. Look at it. But and this ones are not going to other countries. So I'm a quite I create good job other places. That kind of book. They go trying to go soon be by in them outside. How they transported business to other countries and introduce it to them. That's why we're great. This is why we're different. And then sometimes I wonder like how God bless us as a tribe, Igbo people. This is too much, man. Look at it. Look at it. So anywhere you see a used clothes selling in Benin Republic, know that it was first person who sold it here is Igbo man. Overall talker. You know what? It's not easy. Because you're going to business how going to introduce to other countries. So the first person to introduce this business in the whole Benin Republic is an Igbo man, and that person is from Abreba. And the shop we are here today is still Abreba man. It's owned by Abreba man. All these places you see is owned by Abreba man. You got other countries. You know, sure. So you people watching? Yes. This is
countries. If you can mention them,
they can take it to Niger, take it to Burkina Faso, and Togo, other countries, neighboring countries also.
Even like Ghana people.
Even Ghana.
Abidjan people comes here.
Abidjan, thank you very much. Abidjan and Gabon.
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast, yeah, Ivory Coast. They come here too, they buy. This is what we call warehouse sorting center.
Sorting center.
Sorting center, yeah. Okay. Sorting center Nambo. Even when the goods are imported from overseas, they come in big belts. Big belts of 500 kg, 450 kg. From there, we will separate them. Because when the goods are offloaded, they all are mixed. The t-shirts, the trousers, the jeans, the shorts, even bra, even inner wears, everything is mixed together, Swimming trunk, and the ladies' items, children items, men, bed sheets, and all the rest of them, all of them are mixed together when they come. So for us to create job opportunities for people here, for people in Africa, so we prefer to bring them in big belts like this. Then we can employ like a container before you can sort it. You need not less than 100 or 150 people working. Yes. As you can see, that so many people are there.
So there are different, but like the big ones are you are the one you are talking. So can we see the big bells?
The big bells are inside. Okay. So I can show you the big bell like this one now.
So wow, this is massive, man. Yeah. So you were saying something. So I'll ask you this again. Why did you choose to do this? Because not everybody is smart enough to do this. What you are doing. Why did you learn it from your guy again or other person?
Yeah, from other people have been doing it before me. I am not the first person that initiated it.
Yeah.
But the people from my town, like I explained to you, from Abreba, they initiated it. So we have people that I explained to you before, like all these Chika brothers, Pico. These are big shots that have been in the business for a long time. So since then, I joined the business too. So when I joined the business, I prefer to give jobs to people.
This is massive. So these people are being paid.
Yes, it's not for free. They are working.
This is what I'm talking about. All this crowd you are saying are working.
These ones are trousers. Yeah. These ones are shirts. These ones are children roomage. Just like I told you, we separate all these items. We separate them together.
So, but sir, this is too much. How many containers do you bring? Like, is it monthly or weekly? Do you bring this things? Because the clothes I'm seeing here is too much.
Yeah, we bring so many containers in a month.
In a month?
Yes, in a month we can bring up to 25 to 30 containers.
Not a one container.
No,
20 feet or
no, 40 feet container. You can bring 25 to 30 containers in a month. Every blessed month. In that 30 containers, you will get maybe 5 containers of shoes.
So look at it.
Yes. Children items. You can get 4 containers of handbags and belts, other items. Then you have small belts already made from UK. Yeah, maybe you bring that one 6. I don't want to bring that one much because I want to create job, so I bring these big belts.
Okay, the reason why you choose to bring the big belts so that you can give this people job.
Yes.
This is massive, man. This is massive, man.
Here we separate them. We separate with highly professionals. They don't make mistakes. You see? So yes, these are professionals.
So these are different clothes.
All these items are different items. Yes, different. These are underwears, keys, children underwear. We have
different sizes. This is too much.
So
very clean.
So that's it. Let me show you the big bells.
Let's
How
see.
it
Let's
comes.
go. So this is massive, people. If I find a mirror one, if you find the buy name, Chineke.
Like I showed you before, these are the trousers. Also,
These are trousers.
These trousers we have first grade, second grade, and third grade. We separate them. People who have bigger money, they will come for the first grade.
Okay.
If you want to buy second grade, you buy. If you want to buy the third grade, you will buy. This is how it is. So come, let me show you how it comes.
Let's see the video.
Done.
Okay.
So
Jesus Christ.
These containers, these goods,
so
they come like this.
Okay. This is the big bar.
Yeah, the big bells I was telling you about.
So you open it and then this people now will start removing it.
Yes, that's
and separating it. Okay,
exactly. So this is for 477 kg.
477 kg bar.
After separating them, we will now make small bells like this with it, smaller bells. We convert them to we convert them to smaller bells.
So this one is how many kg now?
This one is 80.
This one 80. Yes. This is normal size of bell. Everybody knows.
And this one 55.
Okay, 55.
Yeah, that's it. And this is a wonderful machine.
So this is the wonderful.
Yeah.
What is this? This is a wonderful machine. You call it.
A wonderful machine that can do it.
This is massive.
It's not child's play.
It's not child's play. It's not child's play.
And this creates job opportunities to Africans. Creates job opportunities to Africans and our people.
So our people are working here.
So over the years, when I discovered the importance of job opportunities, I reduced bringing in small bells. I started bringing in bigger bells so that people can have the opportunity to work and to solve and to display their professionalism. They will display their.
You are now a philanthropist in a different angle.
In a different
angle.
You are giving out. Yeah.
To people.
Yeah, so
I like creating job to them.
I like doing that. I like seeing smiles on the faces of people.
This is massive. What is happening here is I never expected this. You see, I thought it's Okrika is just like selling. I never know this is massive.
No,
industry.
These clothes I'm wearing, like I told you, is also from Okrika. You see, it is not.
This machine is massive.
Yeah, it's massive. And number one. That is
so it even has a place that you can. Let me see. Come close.
We'll be coming here.
Wow.
We decide to bring 12 containers here every month. 12 containers here every month because the machine is wonderful. It's doing the right job, and we have professional hands that are handling it.
I'm seeing it. This is not a joke. Yeah. So every month, 12
containers.
It's coming to this warehouse.
Yes.
And this machine will handle it.
It will handle it.
This is massive, man.
Yes, it will handle it. It has the power. And those people handling it also are strong.
I see them.
Yeah.
These people are wonderful.
Yeah.
Well done job, eh?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
This is the one.
So that's it.
Let us get this. You watch it. You see it. This is a wonderful machine. You call it wonderful machine.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen where they are packaging bells? This is where they are packaging bells of clothes.
Yes.
Look at it. See the wonder. See the wonder. And water. This is too much. So let's see the results.
Yeah, the result is coming up now.
So let's just see the results.
Yes.
My people, just watch the results. Yeah. This is a small scale industry.
Yeah.
Somewhere in Benin Republic. Yeah. A one that created by an African man.
Yeah.
I do this. This is the one that created by an African man. And to tell you, I have to repeat myself.
Yeah.
It was an African man who introduced this business to Benin Republic.
Yes.
Benin Republic people don't know what they call used clothes until African people step in. Today, in any point, never.
Yes. They live in Amazon.
So this is massive, man.
That's it. Like this one now is white t-shirt already separated.
Yes.
So if someone wants to buy white t-shirt, he's going to get it like this. All the whole is white. You understand?
This is too much.
Yes.
This is too much.
So
people are working tirelessly. These people are being paid every day. It's daily pay. About a month. If I remember the number, you know what?
Yes.